Hey everyone, let's quickly make sugar-free no-bake Nutella cheesecake.
This sugar-free Nutella cheesecake has 286 calories per serving with 28 grams of protein and 25 grams of carbs. To begin the recipe, the first ingredient is
Chocolate protein powder, low-fat cream cheese, unsweetened cocoa powder, half tablespoon honey, vanilla extract. Add low-fat milk to this. Blend until smooth. Add the mixed cheesecake to a bowl. Use the back of your spoon to even out the top. Top with some chopped hazelnuts. Melted dark chocolate on top. Hope you love the recipe for this no-bake sugar-free Nutella cheesecake. Do give it a try, and if you have any questions, comment below. Also, which next healthy dessert you want to see on my channel, comment below. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.